You heard the train. Yep, there she is. There's the locos, guys. As you can see, they stopped their train. So down there is the culprit. That lead unit down there. Jesus. That's a big guy. Hello. Yeah. Yes.
But why is he going forward on a red light?
Oh, it's green. It's green.
Oh, you're right. It is green.
Yeah. So.
The top light's green. Should we jump on the freeway?
Yeah. So now we're gonna see which guy was. Jeffrey, you can speed up here. As you can see, it is a container train. Go for it. Jeffrey, you can.
You want me to go faster?
Yeah. Catch up to the lead engines.
Alright.
So yeah.
Here the engines are.
Yes. So there's 6854, who is a dash 9, which is a dash 9, 83, 92, 8311, and 7989, who's the culprit, who is blasted its horn.
I'm gonna get off at this exit right here.
Alright. Yeah. Thanks for the horn show. Oh. Thanks for the horn show back there. Yeah. Union Pacific. UHG. Well, at least the GE. Well, at least the what? Yo. Look at that thing. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow. He's just looking. Now he's really moving. Moving to the front.
Should I just pull over right here?
Yeah.
Can we get out?
Sure.
Be safe. Stay on the sidewalk.
There he is. There's our culprit. Right there he's on. Woo! Oh, someone at the cab door. Oh, I guess that was that one. I guess it was the third unit. It was the third unit which was the culprit, because its cab door was open. Oh well, at least we get to see a container train. Train, I like the train. Train. Train, train, train. Train. I like the train. Oh, I hope I caught those locos. Let's see if it blows its horn again. It's gonna have to blow its horn again at the crossing here. Or you're just afraid to blow it. Because it might get stuck on again. Cluck, flat wheels. Doo-doo! This looks like it's a 6386. Oh god, that's our Hoover. I don't hear any horn. I guess it was the lead unit or something. I don't know. It was either the third unit or the lead. It was one of those locos, and it was definitely not the midline DPU. Oh God, Jesus! I'm getting scared. Oh, that's a lot of green containers. Wow, that's a lot of hub group data. green containers. Okay, I've got to move back. Good heavens. Well, UP. And an explosive right behind. Unprotected explosives. So, hopefully you enjoyed that little show. Okay, I do not know which one it was. Tell me in the comment section what you think which loco do you think was the culprit.